Hello friends, today we will discuss the topic transformation of Cartesian double integral into polar double integral. To convert Cartesian form into polar form, we have to apply some substitution. For example, if the equation of circle is if the equation is given circle, then we have to put r is equals to cos theta, y is equals to r sin theta, and the dx into dy become here r into dr d theta. For circle having center at origin and radius r unit, that is the equation is x square plus y square is equals to 2ax. We put here same r is equals to cos theta, y is equals to r theta, and limits are r varies from 0 to r, that means r value is 2a cos theta, theta varies from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Here the condition is center at x axis. Similarly, if the equation of circle is x square plus y minus a bracket square is equals to a square, that means center on y axis, that is center at 0 a and radius a unit, then we have to put here x is equals to r cos theta, y is equals to r sin theta, and r varies from 0 to a sin theta, and theta varies from 0 to pi here. For cardioid, already we know what is meant by cardioid. In curve tracing chapter, we seen that cardioid means the curve having heart shape. R is equals to a cos theta. This is cardioid here. R varies from 0 to a into bracket 1 cos theta, and theta varies from 0 to 2 pi, because cardioid is along the whole axis, along the one rotation, it completes one rotation, so therefore for one rotation it becomes 0 to 2 pi, so therefore the limits for cardioid case it becomes here 0 to 2 pi. Similarly, for the negative cardioid also we can consider r is equals to a minus a into 1 minus cos theta. R varies from 0 to r into a into 1 minus cos theta, then goes on here limit on 0 to pi. Secondly, for limit ellipse equation of ellipse is x square upon y a square plus y square upon b square is equals to 1. In this case, put x is equals to a r cos theta, y is equals to b r sin theta, and dx dy become a b r dr d theta. For this, r varies from 0 to 1 and theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. For positive quadrant, r varies from 0 to 1 and theta varies from 0 to pi by 2 here. Now, according to this, we have seen one example of this now here. If integration from 0 to 2, integration from 0 to under root of 2x minus x square x dx dy upon x square plus y square, since the limits are y is equals to 0 and y is equals to 2x minus x square, x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2, y is equals to 0. Second equation is y equals to y under root of 2x minus x square. If I solve this equation, or on squaring both sides, we get y square is equals to 2x minus x square, so therefore minus x square to come this side, x square plus 2x minus 2x equal to 0. Therefore that is the equation of circle is x minus 1 bracket square plus y square is equals to center at 0 1 and radius 1 unit. Let's see this diagram of equation. Center at x axis, that this point is 1 0, radius 1 unit, so therefore this distance is 1, this distance is also 1, but here this 0 1 1 after that, that is 2, this point is 2 comma 0. Put x is equals to convert this into polar form, put x is equals to r cos theta, y is equals to r sin theta, and dx dy is r dr d theta. Since center at x axis, r varies from 0 to 2 cos theta, since here radius is r is equals to 1 unit, but the line is x is equals to 2, so therefore this become here 2 cos theta, and theta varies from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 here. These limits are already provided, so therefore I is equals to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 integration 0 to 2 cos theta, r x value is equals to r cos theta, so therefore r cos theta dx dy is r dr d theta upon x square plus y square. So x square plus y square means there this value is only r square here. So by taking the square root of r square, it become r, this r and this r get cancel here, one r get cancelled, so one this and this r get cancelled, so here remains only r cos theta dr d theta. Now as the limits are 0 to cos theta, that means this is the limit for theta, so we have to first integrate with respect to theta and then with respect to r. So minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos theta d theta, 0 to 2 cos theta r dr. Take the integration of r, so that the integration whole integration converted into angle theta, and we can apply the limit in terms of pi by. So therefore the integration r become here r square upon 2, 0 to 2 cos theta 2 is a constant term, so therefore 1 by 2 minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos theta d theta, and here we apply the limit. So upper limit is 2 cos theta, so 2 cos theta square, lower limit is 0, so no, not necessary. 2 square is equals to 4, so therefore 4 by 2, here this cos square and 1 cos, this become here cos cube theta, so therefore 2 2 into 2 goes on dividation, so therefore this will be equals to, now cos is a even function. If cos is a even function, therefore this become here, we know the property that if integration from minus, we know the property of integration, if it is given integration from minus a to a f of x dx, then this is equals to 2 times integration 0 to a f of x dx, with the condition that f of x is even. So cos theta is our even function, so cos cube is also even, so therefore this become 2, this divisions 2 is as it is, this 2 is integration 0 to pi by 2, then 2 2s are 4. Now here it is cos cube, derivative is not present, so we can apply reduction formula. By reduction formula, this value is here, n is equals to 3, that is odd number, so therefore that become here n minus 1 upon n into 1 only. So therefore n minus 1, that is 3 minus 2, 1 is 2, 2 by 3, this will be 4 2s are 8, 8 by 3. So by this way we can take the integration of the given term. Next example is, now we see the cardioid. Now here the cardioid is, now evaluate double integration over the region a r sin theta dr d theta over the cardioid r is equals to a into 1 minus cos theta above the initial line. Now from the topic tracing curve, we know that for the cardioid r is equals to a into 1 minus cos theta, theta is equals to 0 degree is initial line, hence r varies from, this is the diagram here, this is our initial value, then they told here above the initial line, that means above the upper portion of the given cardioid. Hence for cardioid, this is your 0 degree, pi by 2, pi and 3 pi by 2, we are considering only above portion, so it started from 0 and it at the line pi, so therefore theta varies from 0 to pi here. Then r varies from 0 to, r value is a into 1 minus cos theta, so r varies from 0 to a into 1 minus cos theta. Theta, as I have told, and shaded portion is also mentioned, so therefore integration I is equals to 0 to pi integration 0 to a into 1 minus cos theta r sin theta dr d theta. Now here the theta is present. First of all, we have to take the integration of r here. So 0 to pi sin theta is constant, so outside the integration, this integral 0 to a into 1 minus cos theta r dr. R's integration is r square upon 2. Upper limit is a into 1 minus cos theta, lower limit is 0, 0 is not necessary, so only upper limit. So due to the square, it become a square 1 minus cos theta square upon 2. A square upon 2 is constant, so outside 0 to pi sin theta is as it is 1 minus cos theta square into d theta. So therefore again this, the value is here now 0 to pi a square by 2 constant, 1 minus cos theta square sin theta d theta. If I say now this is my f of x, or we can solve this by substitution here. If I substitute here put 1 minus cos theta is equals to t here, then minus cos theta, take the derivative, this becomes 0 minus sin theta into d theta is equals to dt, so that become here sin theta d theta is equals to dt. Change in limit consider, then the limit become here for 0 is equals to, this become 0, and for pi is equals to become here, that become 2 here, so 0 to 2 pi, or directly we can say now if it is our f of x, then it is here f dash of x, fn x. We know the formula, if it is given fn x into f dash x dx, then its integration is simply fn plus 1x upon n plus 1 plus c. So by applying that, now here 1 minus cos theta's derivative sin theta d theta is present, so therefore this is our f of x having power 2, so degree increase by 1, so that become cube upon 3. Then 3 2s are 6 are the constant term, so it is outside, so a square upon 6, then function with upper limit minus function with lower limit. For upper limit, this become 1 minus cos pi cube minus 1 minus cos 0 cube. So therefore a square, cos pi is equals to minus 1. So this value become 1 minus minus 1. So minus minus become plus. So this become 2 cube minus this become 1. 1 minus 1 0. So therefore this will be 0. 2 cube is 8. So 8 a square upon 6. 8 and 6 both are multiples of 2. So divide by 2 here. 4 by 3 into a square. So by this way we can take the integration here. So by this way we consider this topic here. More examples we will consider in the assignment form.